circle is the here. I think that here is the radius is 40. So let's do circle. So let's select rapid dimension. Smaller one is a 30 millimeter, and this one is the 40. And this is the reference circle, so I will convert to the reference line, and will become, when it becomes red, select it and convert to the reference, this one, so it is converted to the reference line. I will draw these circles, so with the diameter of the 10 millimeter. So I will draw the circle here firstly, just and define the diameter 10 millimeter, and using the geometric constraint I will bring my hole in the dead position. So this geometric point on the curve, firstly I will bring my point on the line, okay, and on this here, just I will deactivate this one. Okay, constraint. Okay, something. How? Sorry, I have to use this one. Sorry, point on the curve. Point on the curve, this one, and select again this point on the curve of the x-axis. So it is located, but I think I have some mistake with the dimensions. Sure, it should be the 80, this one. The diameter should be 80 millimeters, and now it's correct. Now I would like to make the pattern of this small circle along this path. So it is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 numbers. So in order to do this pattern function, we will see it tomorrow, how to make the pattern. Select the curve to be the pattern, this one. So it is the layout circular, center point rotation this point. So we have the 6 numbers here. I will change it 6. So press OK. So it is ready. Now let's draw this bigger hole. Bigger circle is the diameter. Is the I already did it. So now draw this part. So the smaller is the 12 diameter. The bigger one is the 20 here. Okay. Sorry, this is I did a mistake here. Let's make it smaller. Pattern funksiyasi ana bu yerda bor. Buni ertaga anaqa qilamiz, o'tamiz sekin-sekin. Просто hozir mashqni mana nima qilib deysiz? Bor, uni o'tamiz. Xavotir olmang. Hozir bu yerda ko'rsatayotgan funksiyalarimni hammasini o'tamiz xudo xohlasa, sekin-sekin vaqt soati bilan. Просто mashq qilishimdan maqsadim ko'proq o'rganinglar, mashq qilinglar deyapman. Bo'lmasa bular hali sizlarga voqlaydi, masalan hali o'tmagan narsamdan foydalanyapman. Ko'rib bo'lsa ham sekin o'rganasizlar, lekin dars o'tganimda уже yana ham chuqurroq o'rganib olasizlar. Buni unaqa qilmanglar. Tushuntirman, ha, hop. Okay, I will draw the circle again with the 80 millimeter. So now I will draw this parts here with the 12 smaller one, and the bigger one is 20. Two circles here. Just first I will draw the circles and define the dimension. Okay, it was the 12. Sorry, it was the radius. Yes, correct. And this one is the 20. And I would like to define the position. Here you see it is 35, distance between this one, and the half will be from the center, the half of the 35. So you can make the dimensions with some formulas. For example, here 35 divided by 2. You see it's located, and I can use the mirror function in order to obtain the second chain of the circles here. In order to do this, here open the mirror. We will see this also tomorrow. Select the circle here, 2 circles, in the here 2 circles, and as a center line select x-axis. You see it is the mirror. Press OK. The same way I can make the mirror of these 2 circles on this side, because we have the same symmetric element on this side. So in order to do this again, make mirror, and in this case I can just select all of this by clicking the mouse by the left side like this. So you see also, and select the center line as a Y. You see it is the mirror. Press OK. Now I will draw these 2 arcs here. So in order to do this, I will go to the arc, select this side, okay, and this side, draw the arc, and this side, and this side, draw arc. And let's define the dimensions of these 2 arcs, and it was 40 and 20. So we can make it with the radial dimension. So it is the 40 millimeter of diameter, and this is the 20. So here we have some problem. So in order to do this, we will make tangent using the tangent here, this one and this one. You see it will become here we have the already symbol of the tangent, here the no. So let's make it tangent, this one and this one, and here we have already the symbol of the tangent. That's okay. We can make the mirror again, these 2 lines, this one and this one, around the center axis is Y. So you see it is the mirror. Press OK. But when you make the mirror, be careful with the tangency. You see there is no any tangency when you make the mirror, so we have to check and all the tangency step by step. This one and this one, this one and this one, and this one and this one. So it is the function. Now let's define the distance here. Distance between the 2 circles is here 100. So I will convert to the rapid dimension, and the distance between this one and this one is the 100 millimeter. So I think this is should be the smaller. Let me check it. I forgot with the dimension of this circle, so I will make it smaller. Anyway, it is the wrong one. It was 80. Now it's correct, I think. No, maybe I think much more smaller it should be. Let's make it 50, and let's make it not at the 70. Now it's correct. Just and now I will connect these lines. So it this one, and I want to connect this line with this one in order to be this like here extend the quick extend. We will see this one also. Just select this one. You see it is automatically connects. It is the more efficient to connect with a quick extend. You can connect by yourself like this. Just click this one, and you see it will be difficult to connect. So in order to do this, use the quick extend. So click here, quick extend, and you see it is the sorry, it is the horizontal. If it is not horizontal, you have to put horizontal tangent, horizontal constraint. So let's make mirror again these lines and this line around this center axis. So it is the mirror, and let's take the tangency. Here there is no tangent, so let's make the tangent between this one and this one. Already exists. Okay, at here let's check tangent, this one and this one. Okay, and this one and this one. Okay, so our the element is almost ready, but let's look it. Here you see there is no any line here. It is the trimmed, deleted. So let's do it using the trim function, quick trim. So we can trim. You see, all it is the only trims until the intersection coming. You see, here we have the intersection and trims until the intersection. This one and this one also. You see, until the intersection. So it is the how the quick trim is useful function. Finish the sketch. So this is the the element here. This one. So